Okay, folks, so I'm taking apart the beast, the reel, figuring out why it leaked. And okay, so it turns out that I don't like these connections right here. It doesn't tighten very well. There is no Teflon tape. When this thing is spinning around, and this swivel, let me see if I can, this is a swivel, and this swivel spins, well, the hose basically got unthreaded and it started to leak. The only problem is, in order to figure that out, I got to take the whole reel apart, and you can see already in here it's already starting to rust. It's a really cheap reel. If you're using, like we are in pest control, where we're using surfactants, we're using fertilizers, it's going to rust this very quickly. So basically the hose goes in through there, and this is basically stuck in there like that, and the hose that I now attach permanently to the rig gets attached to this piece right here. Well, when this thing is swiveling, what happened is it wasn't tightened right at the factory, and there's no way to tighten this really well. I have it connected down here too, and it does occasionally, even though I did it, you know, very tight with a wrench, 2 wrenches, it will eventually unswivel and unlock. So the connections are not great. They need to improve this connection to make it so this doesn't keep happening. This can't happen in the field where you're constantly going to have to take a reel apart and tighten it, and there's no way to do it in the field very easily. I had to take the whole thing apart. So really bad design. I'm thinking of getting a Cox reel that's a 50-foot Cox reel, 12-inch, modifying it, putting it on there, but it's $200. They're $176. Nobody has them in stock right now. So if you're ordering that Cox reel, you got to order it on Amazon like for $200, and it just doesn't justify a lot of what we need to do, but it is a solution. So then I got to custom make a plate for this. I'm going to save these pieces here just so I have the measurement, so that I can make a plate that's going to go on one of these, and I can attach then another type of reel to it. So there's my feedback on this. It just isn't really a professional grade equipment. Not super impressed with it. I'm gonna make one, custom make one for myself. That's a little bit heavier duty with all the bells and whistles this one has, in an aluminum cart that is, you know, designed for a professional pest control using it every day.